export, or also we want to import things, but especially now, if business is good, other people business is so good also, sometimes for you to book a space, that means you book a container, or you book this uh, air carrier, that means aeroplane space, is very limited. It's very limited. In otherwise, you have to give premium price, premium, a very high price. Then only you can secure a space for you to export the things, for you to import things coming in. So these are the things that we face sometimes. But I mean, sometimes also, other than that is, uh, I mean, those are, I mean, like if there is what, like, like what we call as earthquake or what, all this. Sometimes in US there is but weather, all this also will affect the export and also import, because of sometimes aeroplane cannot fly. Aeroplane cannot fly, then if cannot fly, then the things you cannot use for them to export or to import.
Okay, thank you, sir. And
Okay.
next, have you faced any
Okay.
issue with payment terms, something like financial transaction or credit risks from international buyer or suppliers?
For us, I think we don't have this problem. In fact, we do not have this problem, because I think our company is very well established, so we don't have this problem.
Okay. How does competition in the international market affect your
We do have
export and import option?
Okay, we do have actually some what we call as competitors lah. So actually, we have competitors, but anyhow, although it's competitors, but still, I think we are the one that is still better than our competitors. We do have competitors like Light Technology. These are our competitors lah. Cisco, Broadcom, or also Lumentum. All these are actually our competitor manufacturers. But anyhow, I mean, we are more well established than them actually.
Okay. So, next question. What challenge arise in maintaining product quality and standard for international market?
So for this one, to maintain product quality, we do have a lot of this audit. Customer comes to our plant to do a lot of audit. Like for example, like Meta, they will send people to come to our company to audit. Like Google's, they will send people to our company to do audit. So why they send people to come to audit our product is because they want to maintain the quality and also the standard. So at least they will see with their own eye, and also they will come uh, and audit and see the real manufacturing operation in origin in Malaysia.
Okay, now we move to the last section, which is strategies implemented by the company to overcome export or import challenges. The first question, what strategies has your company adopted to deal with complex custom regulation and documentation requirements?
So what actually I just now mentioned to just now, like in to deal with customs and so on. Actually, custom have been very good to us actually also. They give a lot of cooperation, and also if there is any changes in custom regulation, they will inform us earlier, and also they give a lot of briefing, and also they will give time for us to adapt. There is a transition time lah. So and also we have been keep on we keep a close contact with customer actually. Our relationship with customer is very important, so that they will know our needs, and also we will also follow what actually they required also. That means what I mean is the both parties have to be work together for the benefit of both parties actually.
Next, how do you mitigate risk related to currency fluctuation and payment uncertainties?
Like I mentioned, if currency fluctuations or payment uncertainty for this is actually, especially I think currency fluctuations, this is not in our control. But how we mitigate is we have to, like for example, we have to sometimes always we have to keep our costs at the lowest. We always, in the sense that promote cost. Quality in terms of better quality, and also we do a lot of cost down project. Cost down project, that means is a certain operation that we can cost down. Sometimes also we do a lot of like sourcing for second customer, second sourcing. That means we don't depend on one customer. We will source other customer also, so that what happens is maybe we can groom up other customer so that they can also give us good product and also cheaper pricing. So this is how we mitigate sometimes all these currency fluctuations.
Okay, next, what logistic strategies have you implemented to ensure timely delivery of goods in export or import operations?
For this one, actually, also we have been keeping a close relationship with our forwarders, with our courier. In fact, like for us, we use a lot of courier services like DHL and also FedEx. So they are very cooperative with us. They will make sure that our goods is being timely exported. So we have been, I mean, we always have meetings with them. They always come and meet us. We also sometimes what we do is we will give them our forecast, so that they can prepare. They will know that okay, when our business there is a forecast whereby maybe next month our product our we need to ship up a lot, so at least they know in advance, and they know they will prepare for it lah. Not last minute give them. So this is what we do lah, so that to ensure timely delivery goods. Even our customer also, not our supplier also, sometimes we will give them advance our forecast, so that we will tell them that maybe next 2 months, next 3 months, our production is going to be very high, so they need to prepare. Okay.
Okay, how do you build and maintain strong relationship with overseas partners, agents, or distributors?
So this one, in fact, like I mentioned to you, Malaysia is we are the manufacturing plant, but on the corporate level, that means US, also APAC level, APAC, I mean Asia Pacific level. Actually, we have other person in charge in supply chain, in logistics. So all these actually these are the networks that we work together. I mean, we will work together in the sense that we must have this close relationship lah. In terms of sometimes whatever happen, then we will contact our counterparts, in APAC region, in corporate region, so they will help us. They will help us. So this is how we maintain this strong relationship.
Next, what quality assurance measures do you take to meet international standard and customer expectation?
Like as I mentioned, I mean, for customer expectation, I mean, customer is always they will demand us to keep on continue to improve. That's why just what I mentioned. Actually, we have a R&D team in Penang. So where this R&D team, they are the one who make sure that all the standards and the customer expectation are met. So R&D team play a very important role. Besides that, also our quality QA team. So they also have to keep in touch with customer, and customer also, like I just now mentioned, they will come over to see our operation. They will audit. We must make sure that we will meet the audit expectation requirements.
So our second last question would be, how do your company leverage technology like digital platforms, supply chain management systems in managing export and import processes?
So this is now like in corporate level. Actually, sometimes we will get a lot of input from corporate level. Corporate will sometimes they will do, they will ask us to do certain system, or sometimes in terms of logistics and export import, they will try to in terms of they will they will try to get better pricing for us, or they are the one who try to create a system. Sometimes we say there's a system whereby in terms of the rate of these forwarders and so on. So we get the help from our corporate team, because corporate team, they are the one, they will engage outside consultant or some consultant to gather more information. With information that they have, they will know how to deal with all those forwarders and also those logistic company lah, so that we can get a better price in terms of our logistic management.
So our last question would be, what role does staff training or capacity building play in improving your export and import efficiency?
I mean, this is very important. I mean, for training wise, because of sometimes supply chain also, they will change a lot of things. Like, for example, now we have a lot of. I mean, sometimes we will deal with certain things that is what we call as dangerous goods. Dangerous goods, then you have to go for training. You because of dangerous good means like lithium battery lah, like chemical lah. This sometimes you need to use it in the production, in our manufacturing, but you need to know all this. You need to go for training, so that when you export or you want to import these dangerous goods, you at least you must know how to deal with them. You must make sure that the forwarders have to follow all this regulation, because otherwise it will face. I mean, it will pose a high risk to other people. So training is very important, because especially in terms of we say that knowledge is keep on improving, keep on growing. So we need to have latest information, sometimes latest things that what happened in the world. For example, I mean, we also like, I don't know whether you have heard. I mean, sometimes we also not only logistics, we use sea. We use ship to use vessel to ship. I mean, just commonly one is use aeroplane lah. But sometimes we use also trucking also. Trucking from China. That means from China, all the way from China to Malaysia, use truck. Then they will go through a lot of countries. They will go through like Vietnam lah, Cambodia lah, they will Thailand lah, then only come into Malaysia. So these are all we need to know. We need to know all this information. So sometimes forwarders also, they will give us training. They will tell us, okay, now they have this type of service. It's what we call inland trucking. So all this we need to know, so that we have a lot of what we call as when we know all this, then we have a lot of alternative. When sometimes plan A cannot work out, then we use plan B. Plan B cannot work out, we use plan C. So all this we need to know lah, and training is very important lah.
Okay, I think that's our last question. I think, is there any question from other people?
It doesn't have.
You all is what year? What year you are now?
Oh, we are third year. Also our final
Do
year.
you have internship?
Yeah, we did already.
Or you have done the okay.
Yeah,
Because if
actually,
you all have not done, you can apply to our coherent. Coherent, we accept a lot of intern people. Like even our department, shipping department also, we have a lot of intern. And also we highly pay. Highly pay, that means we pay you all like, I mean, those normal workers lah. I mean, this the basic one is 1,000, now it's 1,700, 1,800. So we pay that one.
I heard of one of my classmates, he had his internship at
Ah,
Coherent.
so how? Uh,
Yeah,
I mean, what is back?
I think he did very well.
I see. But
Yeah,
like for us, our shipping department, we really wants people to come over for, I mean, to intern lah, to I mean learn, especially my department here in our shipping department, logistic department. So next time maybe you got friend or what, you can introduce them to them. I mean, you can also maybe you through me also you can give me their information, then I can pass it to my boss. Uh,
sure.
if anybody interested lah, to come over to Ipoh. Are you all from where? Where are you from? All from?
I'm from Ipoh.
Oh, from Ipoh. Okay, from Ipoh. Ada yang lain tu dari mana?
I'm from Malacca.
Oh, Melaka. Dari Melaka. Okay.
Saya dari Selangor.
Oh,
Kelang.
Selangor. Okay. Kelang. Oh, okay. Orang Kelang. Okay.
I'm from Kuantan.
Kuantan. Oh, Pahang. Okay.
Saya daripada
Sir,
Sarawak.
saya nak
Sarawak. Sarawak. Sarawak pun kita mengalu-alukan kedatangannya. Kalau nak ada Ipoh lah. Ipoh lebih kurang macam Sarawak juga. Tak, dia tak banyak beza. Pasal Ipoh dia tak besar. Dia bukan macam bandar besar macam Kuala Lumpur. Actually Ipoh is a nice place to you boleh tanya apa Waisin lah. Dia orang Ipoh mah.
Yes. I think
Actually for your all this project is what project actually?
it's our group assignment
What
for
course you are taking actually you all? Then
yeah, our course name is International Business. Yeah.
I see. Okay. International business. So there is an international trade and so on lah.
Yes.
So that's why just now you mentioned about FTA, free trade agreement, all this. But actually, not many people knows about this. Actually, in fact, not many people know the benefit of this free trade agreement. So I mean, we are doing this one actually. Sometimes we have customer in India, or in Korea also. They will ask us to apply for this FTA so that they can enjoy lower tax. Very interesting, actually. Very interesting, and also very challenging in if international trade. Especially now for logistic for supply chain. Supply chain not only like just now you are talking about export and import. Actually, supply chain cover also how you store the thing, warehousing. Then also just now you mentioned about custom clearance and so on. I don't know whether you all learn custom clearance or not. We do have a lot of custom clearance we have to do, like international, like local shipment is different. International shipment also different. Ada soalan? Ada apa soalan? Any question? Boleh tanya.
Any question?
No.
Ada semua nak tu belum makan tu. Semua sudah makan malam. Have you taken your dinner already?
Yes.
Okay.
I I
So,
think
but anyhow, you just what lah. So if you have any further things that you want to ask or what, then you can. Okay.
sure. Mr. Han, before we end our session, can we take a group photo?
Can.
Okay, so
I have to open my camera, is it?
yeah, it's open already. Okay, so I count 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Boleh ya? Okay ya?
Right. Okay, so
Okay.
thank you, Mr. Han, for
Yes.
taking your time with us in this interview and share your valuable knowledge experience with us. So we truly appreciate your willingness to support us in completing this assignment.
Hopefully, it's my pleasure to help you all. Hopefully, it will be a help for you all.
It's our pleasure too.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Han.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, Mr. Pao.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.